No, he did. A seconds in. All right, these are cool. Finally, these have been sitting at Walmart at $15 clearance, and they've just been refusing to lower them. I walked into a store today, and they actually had them at $7, and they were almost all gone. It's all 18650s in there, so this thing's heavy. It's 20 amp, or in the other community, it's 20,000 milliamp. Yeah. Micro USB to USB charging cable. Okay, that is going to suck. Why is it micro USB? It should be USB-C. All right, so anyway, there's that. And let's open it up. Oh, I kind of cheated. I wanted to use my knife. Well, I already had one that was open, so I went with that one. All right, there's your cable. It's like micro USB. Stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Let's look, it's got USB-C on there. No USB-C. Are you kidding me? Isn't that what the box said? Huh. Or are these output 2.4 amp by 2? All right. A little bit of limiting factor on there. Charge only. 97. All right, at least you got your digital display, right? I hope no one swapped this. So no USB-C, which sucks. Just looking, these are USB 3.0s. They don't look like they are. Love that nail, baby. Yeah, you come clean that. So both ports can do 2.4 amp. So your max is 4.5 amp out. Let's see how you turn this off. Yeah, usually holding it in will get it to turn off. Oh man, this video's got it all, doesn't it? Usually you want a way to reset these. Let's see if there's any way to reset it. This thing feels like a return. I hope no one played swapsy dopsies with it. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, I don't see any way to reset it, which is kind of disturbing. This thing's got fingerprints all over it. I don't think they're mine. Look at my thumbs. Look at those. All right, so anyway, at $7, yeah, these are worth it. They're pretty heavy, but it's a lot of current, dude. This literally looks like a return. Alrighty then. Not much else to show, bro. It just sucks it doesn't have USB-C. Alright, what else, dude?